Now we got the quantity of the cement, sand, aggregate and water. Next is calculation of the labor. Calculation of the labor. And this we will see in detail in the Excel sheet. Okay, let's go to the Excel sheet.
Before we move into the video, just a quick note, I've added discounted links to my full Udemy courses in the description and the pinned comment below. If you want everything explained clearly and practically, make sure to check them out.
Okay, so this is the Excel sheet for the PCC, and you can see this is M10136, M10 grade of the concrete. All right, so the first is the labor. Skilled labor, man day, you need 0.5, and unskilled labor, you need 3.5. And this comes from the standard, and I have already discussed about this. So for the skilled labor, I'll put 1500, and for the unskilled labor, I'll put 1200. And the amount is rate times the quantity times quantity, enter, and this is my amount. All right. While putting the quantity of the cement, always be careful. The cement can be measured in bags, it can be measured in kg, it can be measured in metric tons. So you need to be careful about the unit. So bags is 4.32 bags. And for the aggregate, so we calculated the aggregates as 0.90 meter cube, and it can be, okay, so it can be 40 mm down aggregate and 20 mm down aggregate. So we'll just take as the aggregate only, not distributing it. The aggregates, the quantity we calculated was 0.90, and if you want to segregate it into 40 mm and 20 mm down, then for the 40 mm down aggregate, the quantity is around 0.6 to 0.65, and for the 20 mm down, the quantity is around 0.2 to 0.25. Okay, and the sand we calculated as 0.45, and the water we calculated as 108. And normally for these kind of work, the diesel, it's 3 liters, and the petrol is 0.10 liters, and this you need for the mixer and for the vibrators. All right, so the mixer for number of hours required is around 0.60, and this comes from the standard document. I'm not making this up. Okay, so these are the quantities, right? And now let's fill the rates. The rate for the cement, let's take 650 kg. For the aggregate, let's take 3800, and for the sand, let's take 3500. For the water, we will take 30 paisa, and for the diesel per liter, I will take 170, and for the petrol, I'll take 180. Now I got the rate and the quantity. I'll just get the amount times this, enter. Now let me just drag this. Now I need to add this up also. Okay, then we got the equipment. You can take equipment as 3% of the labor cost, and if you want to be more accurate, you need to list the equipment, then get the standards, how much quantity is required, and then fill the rate per hour. So for the mixer, I will take 2000 per hour, and for the vibrator, I will take around 100 rupees per hour. And again, let's do the calculation times, and then we add this. So the total is this plus this plus this, And profit, let's add 15%. This is equal to 0.15 times this value, and this is equal to this plus this. Okay, here you got the rate of 1 meter cube of PCC work, and this is how you do the calculations. I hope guys this video was helpful to you. This is how we do the rate analysis of PCC work.